this is what I've got to deal with. Pulling away. I've got most of the flower pots moved. Most of them. There are a few good ones that I will be keeping. But this is like, as Mark said, like a carpet. Concrete floor. It's a rainy day today, rainy and cold, so I think I've done about as much of this heavy work as I can. I've gotten rid of the trees that were growing out of pots, and yes, I think this ivy needs to be controlled. And I probably will need Mark's help cutting this carpet up so we can pull it up, but he is busy with something else at the moment, so it's for another day. Fig trees everywhere I go. Well, Mark had me cut back a branch because it was in the way of him driving. So I decided that I would save, it was a nice low-hanging branch. It's a shame I had to cut it. But I decided to take cuttings of all the little figs, and they're all sitting in water. I will probably put them in the ground very shortly, not even in pots, but just directly in the ground. And what survives, survives. It's not as though I need more fig trees, but it's a shame to just let them die. So I thought I'd give them every opportunity to survive. And I have been very busy creating a garbage pile so that when we get a bin, we're not moving from this pile and that pile and the other pile. It's all together, all in one. So that's what I'm hoping to do. And wouldn't you know it, in my cleaning up the yard and picking up branches and picking up garbage and all of that, I found another interesting. We do have raspberries, black raspberries, I believe. But we'll see what kind they are when they come. But then, this old, that I thought was a completely dead tree, turned out to be very interesting. It is actually very much alive. And it is a second fig tree. Wouldn't you know it? So, yeah, it needs to be cut back hard. I've already told Mark he's going to have to come out here with his chainsaw, and I'm going to get him to cut it back in a big, bad way. A lot of dead branches, but there's still lots of life to this thing. And even up there. But I'll probably get those cut back. We'll see how much I cut it back, but probably extremely hard. All this dead branch, most of that one. So yeah, it's not as though I need another fig tree, but it's good to have it. Never know. So figs everywhere. I don't think that I have any other kind of fruit trees here. So I do have fig trees and I do have raspberries. So that's a good start. We'll see what else surprises me. This was definitely a surprise. I thought it was a totally dead tree, but live and learn. Nature always tries to survive too.